How to fix Destiny 2 Error Code Monkey 2023. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to fix Destiny 2 Error Code Monkey 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to any browser that you have and search for Down Detector Destiny 2. So just search for it and then click on this link right here, and then from in there you can see if there's any user reports on Destiny 2. So in the last 24 hours, that just means that there's no user reports. You can see some hinges in here, that just means there's a report, but it's not that high, so it's not down right now. But if ever it's high like this, then that means that Destiny 2 is down. Next thing you can do is to head over to Steam, and then from in there head over to your library. And then under there you can see all of the things that you have on the games right here. Just right click on Destiny 2 right here, click on properties, and then it will open a window like this. You can see something like here, the local files, so just click verify integrity and that should be able to fix your issue. Next thing you can do is to head over to your control center. So let's head over to our control panel right here. And then once we have clicked that, click on this network and internet. Let's click on this network and sharing center. And then it will open our Wi-Fi. So we can just click on change adapter settings right here. And from in there, you can click on your Wi-Fi right here, click on properties. And then from in there, you can click on this ICP v4. So you can just click on that in order to modify it. So just click on this. And then click on properties, and then enter in here 8888 and 8484, and then click on OK, and that should be able to actually fix your problem. Next thing you can do is to head over to CMD. So let's search CMD right here, and then click on run as administrator. So let's click this right here, and then after that it will open CMD on another window right here. So what you need to do is to just add this prompt right here and enter it, and then after this operation it will show that your DNS cache and proxies have been cleared successfully. So the next thing you can do is head over to your browser again and then search for speed test. So just search for speed test and then click this run speed test right here, and then this will open your speed test. So Destiny 2 requires around 2 to 4 Mbps of Wi-Fi, so you should have this kind of network connection in order to run Destiny 2. So the next thing that you can do above all is to just click on Windows, click on the power button, and then restart your device. So that should be it. That's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Destiny 2 Error Code Monkey. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!